In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do an abdominal crunch. So firstly, all you need is a mat. You can also use a cushion for your head if you're somebody that's got neck pain or is susceptible to neck strains. So what I'm going to do firstly is I'm going to lay on my back. I'm going to have my feet in contact with the floor and my knees bent. So that looks like this. So feet in contact with the floor, I've got my knees bent. Now I'm going to place my hands behind my head. So what I want you to do with your hands is try to ensure that the whole weight of your head is in your hands. And from here, I'm going to crunch up just using the top of my core, making sure before I start that my lower back is on the floor. So from here, crunching up, big squeeze at the top, and slowly back down under control. So you'll notice that I've got my elbows flared out at all points. And what I want you to do is look at the position of my eye lines. So I don't ever crunch forward with the neck. It's all coming from the top of the core, and I'm not going to create any neck strain because the whole weight of my head, my neck flexors are not engaged at all during the motion because the head is in my hands. So a nice cue for you is 2 seconds up, 2 second pause at the top, and slowly down for 2 seconds as well. So that is how to do the abdominal crunch, which you would repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.